Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP Ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. Ripple develops new standard to allow for complex NFT applications on $XRP ledger. Ripple, a popular fintech firm and a major player in the $XRP market, has announced it has developed a new standard, called XLS20, to help developers build more advanced and innovative NFT applications on top of the XRP ledger. According to the company, the new XLS20 standard will equip the XRP ledger with the tools required to create multi-purpose applications, and will enhance the XLS20D standard, which is built in native token functionalities. The new standard is being launched months after Ripple launched a $250 million fund, aiming to support those who want to create and monetize accessible and innovative non-fungible token (NFT) experiences on the XRP ledger, XRPL. Ripple's creator from Ripple, with the uptake of RippleNet's on-demand liquidity (ODL) service in the APAC and MENA region surging in response to increased demand for quick settlements and immediate access to funds. APAC reportedly is one of the fastest growing regions for RippleNet, where transactions have risen 130% year-over-year. In recent years, APAC, Asia Pacific, has risen to dominate the digital banking business, accounting for 20% of the world's approximately 250 digital banks. As previously covered by You Today, iRemit, a non-bank remittance service provider that leverages Ripple's ODL to process Australia to Philippines remittances, has announced a partnership with Velo Labs to unlock the $34 billion cross-border payment market in the Philippines. Last year, Navati Group announced joining Ripple's global payment network to tap RippleNet's on-demand liquidity (ODL) service, leveraging the digital asset (XRP) for cross-border payments. Ripple and Navati's efforts targeted first the Australia-Philippines corridor through a partnership with iRemit, the largest Filipino-owned non-bank remittance service provider. Ripple has also announced a partnership with Xrp SEC case. The defendants Bradley Garlinghouse, Christian Larson, and Ripple Labs Incorporated in the lawsuit against US SEC have filed for a motion for extension. As per the motion, they seek more time to respond against the Commission's proposed redactions of key documents. The defendants want to evaluate the material so that they can see to what extent they have objections to the proposed redactions. Ripple seeks extension. The motion mentions that the SEC will produce the documents by early next week. Meanwhile, both the parties have agreed to it and just need the court's approval. After reviewing the documents, the accused will file a response in court within 3 days. The defendants noted that the deadline to file their response was due on March 28, 2022. As per attorney James K. Filan, the court granted the individual defendants' requests for an extension to file their answers in a text-only order. Interestingly, he also mentioned that their reply is due no later than April 8, 2022. April will be critical month for lawsuit. Earlier, individual defendants in the case filed a motion seeking additional time until April 8, 2022 to file their answers to the SEC's first amended complaint. To this, Filan informed that SEC's response on additional discovery. The court was also convinced that the SEC was on a mission to apply delay tactics by increasing the time, expense, and complexity before the matter could move to full trial, hence the decision to deny SEC's motion. The court shall not conclude, at this early stage of the case, that Ripple's defense is invalid. Accordingly, the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's fair notice affirmative defense is denied. The order read. That said, what now remains is for the matter to proceed to a full hearing, given that the court has also denied a twin motion filed last April to dismiss the lawsuit by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larson, dealing a blow to the individual defendants. Today's order makes it clear there's a serious question whether the SEC ever provided Ripple with fair notice that its distributions of XRP, since 2013, would ever be prohibited under the securities law. Ripple's general counsel, Stuart Alderodi, commented following the order. The Ripple case, which was brought by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in December 2020, has been a thorn in the foot for XRP holders who remain optimistic that the two sides will reach a settlement without going to full trial, or better yet, have the trial take the least time. And second news today, XRP soars 15% as Ripple wins the fair notice defense. But what's next? The San Francisco-based payments company has long argued that the SEC didn't give adequate notice of considering XRP to be a security. In fact, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO at Ripple, had reiterated the same in a 19 February tweet. Nonetheless, sensing a possible victory, defendant had clamped down on the SEC with different significant strikes. Checkmate. Ripple Labs, defendant, struck yet again as the judge, and Alyssa Torres denied the SEC's motion to strike Ripple from using a fair notice defense. James K. Filan, a famed attorney who closely follows the lawsuit updates, tweeted this on 12 March. Ripple has argued in his favor about the regulator's failed move to inform XRP's public sale beforehand. The SEC also plausibly shown that the individual defendants made domestic offers of the token. Interestingly, on 12 March, the court rejected the claim stating that XRP's sales were predominantly foreign. The court shall not conclude that Ripple's affirmative defense is invalid at this stage of the case. Further, the judge argued that the agency wouldn't suffer undue prejudice as a result of the continuation of the defense. As a result of these recent developments, native token, XRP has surged by more than 15% at press time, thus, rejoicing this victorious sentiment. At press time, it was trading at the 81 cents mark as per CoinMarketCap. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, CryptoGround, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, CryptoGround analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor